Talked about this.
No, you talked about it. I'm doing it.
She is not going.
She is.
She is too young to go to clubs.
And that's the point.
That's your point?
Sneaking into clubs is an important, formative experience.
Getting arrested is formative, is it?
It can be.
I don't believe you.
Look, she's not gonna get arrested. She won't get caught.
Not going to... Of course she'll get caught.
She won't. My girl here is way too clever for that.
Your girl? She's your girl now.
More mine than yours, darling. Well, she's not getting that tough side from you.
I can be tough.
Yeah, right.
Fine. Let's do this. Ha! Tough enough for you, my... What? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, you are impossible.
I'm just making sure my girl is having a good time.
A good time?
And all you're giving her is an aneurysm.
Oh, big words now. A what? You guys do know I can hear you, right?
Did she just...
Uh-huh.